Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at Tamara Trottner, the woman behind the memoir Times No One Saw Us Leave, now turned into a major TV series. With the story of her childhood kidnapping now in the spotlight, people are asking, where is Tamara Trottner now? Let's break it all down. Tamara Trottner was a child when her father allegedly abducted her and her brother from Mexico and took them abroad, setting off a years-long saga of hidden travel, family trauma, and eventual reconnection. Decades later, she published her memoir, No One Saw Us Leave. And in 2025, the story was adapted into a series on Netflix. After publishing her memoir in 2020, Tamara began speaking publicly about her experience, focusing on healing, identity, and the impact that early loss of childhood had on her. Interviews suggest she has built a deeper relationship with her mother and used her story to inspire others. She has also maintained a low public profile outside her book and the series adaptation. Where is Tamara Trottner now? As of now, Tamara Trottner is primarily working as an author and advocate. While there are few detailed public updates, sources indicate that she remains based in Mexico, being part of the Mexican Jewish community referenced in her story, shares a good relationship with her mother, and may be married, though no confirmed details of her personal life have been widely publicized. Her focus appears to be on writing, public speaking, and supporting healing initiatives connected to trauma and family separation. Tamara Trottner's story is harrowing, deeply personal, and now reaching a global audience through her memoir and the TV series. While the specifics of her day-to-day life remain private, we know this: she's turned that childhood ordeal into a voice for resilience and reclamation. Her journey is still unfolding, but her message is loud and clear. Far from being defined by what happened, she's defining what comes next.